to the oven cook. Today I'm going to do some asparagus kofta. So, what I've got for this, I've got some lamb mince. Just put that into a bowl. Just break this up a little bit. Like so. Just pop that down there. Put some garlic. This in the press. White onion. Got some mint, about 2 teaspoons, some cumin, about half a teaspoon, ground coriander, a teaspoon, and I've got some smoked paprika, half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of salt and about a quarter of black pepper. Just get a glove on and mix all this in together. Get the lid on this and let that sit for about an hour and then we'll come back. Just keep going.
You are such a tit. You really are. Just put my glasses back on.
Do you want to drink of water?
Idiot.
Or brandy?
Can you just... No! You're fucking tall. Oh my days. I hope this is being filmed. I really do.
It is, yeah.
Good.
That's what we're making biscuits.
Oh, we're not making biscuits. Oh, friggin' idiot. Doesn't that look good?
Yes, it's great. Come on.
Oh, stop it.
No.
What do you want me...
Oh no, it's done.
Okay. Make it nice.
Okay, so we're back. So we've got our asparagus. Just going to line these up so I can sort of like get them all the same size. Just going to take off the woody bit. Like so. Dropping them all over the floor, obviously. It smells amazing. Smell it. So, get asparagus. And get some meat. And we'll make these as many as we can. Some fry light olive oil. Okay, so there we go. We've got our flatbreads made by Mrs. Urban and a little bit of help with me. We've got our minced lamb Kofta Cabbage. The skewer is the actual asparagus. Got a little mixed salad, a bit of mayo, garlic, and all that really good stuff. So obviously all the ingredients will be in the description. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. See you later guys, bye.